Right. Okay, Liam, if you stay there, and if everyone goes to the right of Liam. Okay, folks, that's it. Right, you okay there, Liam?
Yep, all good.
Right, watch that wave to your left. Right, folks, if you follow me now, we'll check this little bit out. Or Liam, sorry, could you just go ahead to the right of that rock and check the depth, please? If we all hold back here. Okay, Liam. So let's go, folks. Let's go back through. Right. There's a slight difference in the rock, isn't there?
Yeah.
It almost seems to be sitting on a harder rock there.
Then from here on, I would say to people, right, I know roughly what people can do now, yeah? So I'd say, right, as long as you suit yourself, guys, we're just going to go along to the castle. There's a few rocky bits, you can go in and out and play around if you want, do a bit of rock hopping. If you don't fancy it, that's fine.
Yeah.
You can come.
Oh, a turn. Oh, a pair of turns. Right, get them up.
Is that what they call a tasty?
Yes,
Hey!
Yeah, tasty.
I'm getting there.
Yeah.
And I know that because of you, David, so thank you.
Yeah.
It was the right exit you got away.
The Fulmar is a bit more difficult. It's a monomac. So we have Ackergill Tower on the left. Okay. Right, ready? That cooled me down.
That's just following it all the way around.
Right. Could you pull the boat, pull your boat back, go to my bow, can you go to my bow, right, and keep going towards the bow, so I grab the bow of your boat, right, and can you push your bow round towards me of your sea kayak, right, okay. Right. Right, okay, so okay, right Liam, I'll pull your boat alongside mine. Okay, now, so what I want you to do is come the outside of your boat and make your way along the deck lines and right to the back of the cockpit here. Right, okay, right, if you stop there, give me your paddle now. Okay, so what I want you to do is put your legs towards the front of the boat and put your right leg into here.
Yeah, what would you do?
Oh yeah, and if you can hold on there.
Okay.
Good lad, right. So if you make your way up flat on the boat, that's it, spin round. Excellent. Right, do you want to adjust your foot pegs to get tighter in? Right, okay. Right. So, right. There we go. Right, how are you feeling?